The question of whether f2.8 lenses are truly essential for photographers has sparked considerable debate within the photography community. While these lenses are often praised for their low light performance and shallow depth of field, their high price tags can be a barrier for many. On the other hand, more affordable lens options have improved significantly in recent years, offering features that may satisfy a wide range of photographic needs. In this section, we'll explore the practical differences between these lenses and consider how your choice can influence the quality and style of your photography. Lenses with a maximum aperture of f2.8 are highly valued for their ability to perform well in low-light environments. By allowing more light to reach the camera sensor, these lenses enable faster shutter speeds and lower ISO settings, which helps produce sharper images with less digital noise. In comparison, more affordable lenses often have smaller maximum apertures, making it challenging to capture clear photos in dim conditions without introducing blur or grain. However, creative solutions, like using a tripod, increasing ISO, or seeking out available light sources, can help photographers overcome these limitations when fast glass isn't available. Aperture plays a crucial role in determining the depth of field in a photograph. Lenses with wide apertures, such as f2.8, allow for a shallow depth of field, resulting in a beautifully blurred background that makes subjects stand out, an effect highly sought after in portrait photography. Conversely, when a deeper depth of field is needed, such as in landscape or architectural shots, a smaller aperture is preferred to keep more of the scene in sharp focus. Understanding how aperture affects depth of field helps photographers choose the right lens for their creative vision. Ultimately, selecting the appropriate aperture setting is essential for achieving the desired artistic effect in any image. Portrait photography often benefits from lenses with a wide aperture, such as f2.8. These lenses allow photographers to isolate their subjects by creating a beautifully blurred background, giving portraits a polished, professional appearance. However, achieving stunning results isn't limited to expensive equipment. Affordable lenses, when paired with careful composition and effective lighting, can also produce impressive and expressive portraits. The key lies in understanding how to use these tools creatively to highlight your subject. f/2.8 lenses are highly valued in sports photography because their wide aperture allows more light to reach the camera sensor. This enables photographers to use faster shutter speeds, which are essential for freezing rapid movements and capturing sharp images in dynamic, low-light environments. Even if you're working with more affordable lenses, you can still achieve great results by increasing your ISO sensitivity and carefully choosing your shooting angles to make the most of available light. Utilizing burst mode and pre-focusing on anticipated action zones can also help you capture decisive moments. With the right techniques, both professional and budget-friendly lenses can perform admirably in the fast-paced world of sports photography. Today, photographers have access to a wide range of modern, budget-friendly lenses that offer impressive performance. Thanks to significant advancements in lens design and camera technology, it's now possible to capture high-quality images without relying on costly f2.8 lenses. Many affordable options feature improved optics, fast and accurate autofocus, and effective image stabilization. These innovations make it easier than ever for enthusiasts and professionals alike to achieve excellent results, regardless of their budget. When comparing f2.8 lenses to more affordable alternatives, several factors come into play. f2.8 lenses often deliver superior low-light performance and sharper image quality, but they come at a significantly higher price. On the other hand, budget-friendly lenses may offer less versatility in challenging lighting conditions, yet they can still produce impressive results for many types of photography. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs, shooting style, and budget. Carefully weighing these considerations will help you select the gear that truly fits your creative goals. As you consider your photography journey, take time to assess your current gear and identify what truly supports your creative goals. Experimenting with different lenses can reveal new perspectives and help you discover which tools best suit your style. When investing in equipment, prioritize quality and versatility over quantity. Engaging with fellow photographers and participating in community discussions can provide valuable insights and inspiration. Remember, continuous learning and open-minded exploration are key to refining your skills and capturing compelling images.